Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to speak about a topic called fundamental of drawing reading. Then what is the topics I am going to discuss today? Today I am going to discuss about what are the different type of drawings and how to read the drawing, from where to start the drawing, what are the main points you need to observe in drawing. These are the key points I am going to discuss today. Before that, one who not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Design Tech DSP and also press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest videos when I upload. First, we will understand what is the need of drawing reading. Drawing reading is one of the greatest and also fundamental skills that every mechanical engineer should know. That too, one who want to become a design engineer, they should be very much good in drawing reading and analyzing the data. Basically, there are two kind of drawing. Those are part drawing and assembly drawing. Then what is part drawing contains? The part drawing contains details of views and sectional view of a single part. Then what is the other kind of drawing? That is assembly drawing. It contains the same what contains the part drawing with multiple parts. It is a group of several parts with bill of materials. Okay, then we'll understand step by step how to approach the drawing reading, because many people will feel tough and ask me that how to approach. Based on their requirement, I have made today's video. Since our team is associated with many industry expertise and also consultants, today I am going to share the Tata content what they have shared in webinar classes. First step to approach the drawing reading is always start reading the drawing with title block. This title block contains almost 80% of the data required to develop the model. So only we call it as a title block as the master or Google of a drawing, because whenever we need some information we follow Google. So if you want any information in drawing, you need to follow the title block. Then where we can find the title block on a sheet? Title block can be placed on four sides of a corner, but most of the industry prefer it should be at corners, that is right hand side, then the left hand side. Then whether it should be in upside or bottom side, it can be placed on both the side, but most of the industry people follow, and also it is industry guidelines. It is very easy to look. It will be on right side bottom view. We got it. Where will be the title block? Now we will understand step by step what all it contains. Main thing, title block contains part name and number. Title block mainly contains these two informations. Yes, in industry, drawings are very important thing, and it is also confidential. So always it will be protected with some secret code and number series. Industries never call part name, they always call with number, because it is very easy to store and also search when they are required. Different and also unique based on the industry rules. Next, it also contains company name and logo. Sometimes customer one who give an order, their logos and also will be displayed in this sheet. Next thing, this title block included projection type, like it is a first angle or third angle of projection. You might be thinking that why they have mentioned, because in industry guidelines and also somebody may confuse with views, so they mention on every sheet. Based on you will get an information that it is a first angle or third angle of projection. And other point we look here is contact information, like who did the drawing, who is approved, and approved dates with quality and manufacturing people authority signature also they have mentioned in the block. And sometimes in industry, many times the drawings will be changing with some reasons and also requirements, so same number we cannot place on a sheet. So they came with the idea called revision number. So in revision block, the same model will be altered with some dimensions or some notes, like some tolerance and allowances, so they have mentioned here in a revision block. Then scale, we will be looking to this title block. Then you might be thinking that why they have mentioned scale, because scale is very important in a sheet. There will be three category of scales. One is same, that is 1:1, means the image what we look in a sheet, it will be in the same size what they have mentioned. If it is 1:2, means it is 50% of the size will be compressed. If it is 2:1, it will be 50% enlarged than the current view. And it also contains which type of material and also weight of the part of or a assembly. By using that, we can check that our 3D model is right or wrong. Also you can check the real product in manufacturing. These are all the information about title block contains. So only we call title block as the Google. Then other one is what is, because initially I said that 80% of the data on a sheet contains by title block. Then what about the 20%? That rest 20% containing nodes. Then you might be thinking that where will be the nodes? Nodes also displayed on a sheet, some corners of a above or below beside the title block. Most of the nodes related to manufacturing team, but as a design engineer one should understand the nodes data and also take care the information. Then we will have a look what it contains, like unspecified tolerance and allowance. All dimension on a drawing contains tolerance and allowance values, but if it in case they forget to mention, then they specify here what it should be and also based on rule on what the basis they have taken. And also it contains type of heat treatment like hardening, tempering, annealing with the temperature also they have mentioned. Then it also contains surface finish and roughness value information. When the part will be produced and quality checking, they will take the data from drawing and check the data. And also it contains fillet information and jumper informations. Then what else it contains? And it also contains letter and logos to be printed on a part after manufacturing, like what is the letter we should publish on a part, and like logo, and whether it is a paint or a laser printing, it data will be mentioned on a note. And also it contains sometime if it is assembly drawing, it will be having assembly part wise drawing and also bill of material. Then what is bill of material contains? It contains all the sub-assembly part, name, material, and also number of quantities and order detail you can find there. It always a bill of material will be tabulated on the first page. Using the bill of material, try to find out the component in a drawing so that we'll understand their requirement. These are the information about basic of drawing reading. This is the part 1 video. In next video I am coming with the types of views, projections and lines, and how to read the views. I hope you like my video. Suppose if you have any doubts, please do comment. I will answer you guys. And also you can join me in WhatsApp and Telegram group. The link will be given in description.